If you want to see what it takes to go from absolutely zero to 10K a month personal profits, building a personal brand and a service-based company, then this video is for you, my friend. Because I am recording every single day and posting on this YouTube channel, documenting my journey to go from broke to 10K a month personal profits. Yes, sir. And you get to witness that. You get the raw, the truth, and the ugly all at the same package, because those videos are only raw content of me documenting the process, showing the mistakes I made, showing also my successes, my failures, everything, my thoughts, all that could actually bring value to you. Okay? And some videos gonna be short, long, I don't know. I don't care. I'm just doing this every day. I'm posting what I actually do, and the reflections I have that I believe are valuable to you. Okay? My name is Anthony and I'm 29 years old as of this video. And for the past 9 years, I built great numbers of companies and projects, and failing dramatically at most of them because I was immature for the most part, and I was not skillful enough to really put some company from the ground up to making, 6 figures, 7 figures, and all that stuff. So yeah, and plus I've put myself in a horrible amount of debt, like almost $200,000 of pure debt, not loans. And that brought me down a little bit. But in the end, you learn that everything is alright, and you still move on, and this is part of your journey. This is what's going to enhance all the successes that I'm going to have and that I'm having right now. So that's pretty cool. Okay, right now it's been only 2 months and a half. It's already been only two months and a half since I'm recording these videos, and we're still on day 49 because I could not for some days record videos for you. That's fine. That's fun. That's life. And right now, for the most part, I'm building on X, on YouTube, obviously, because I'm posting videos every single day. Okay. And then on Substack and email list. All right. So those are the main channel. I choose, willingly to not put myself, to diverge into every channel existing in the world right now, because I believe in singular focus. I believe if I focus on X for a period of time, I will get tremendous results, and then I will be able to deploy into something else because I already had I will already have at least some audience. And this is valuable for you too, because if you are building an audience or you want to build one, I believe that singularly focusing on one single channel, I believe is the way, because it brings you some traction at the beginning that you may not have if you focus every attention on every single channel. Maybe you can find some tools, to just dispatch your post or your videos on multiple channels, but the main attention should be on one single one at first. Okay. And for me, it's the most logical choice because, I am helping clients, with their entire outreach process to get them more sales, to get them more calls for their high ticket offers. This is my business, right? So this is what I do. I do help people to connect better with others so they can have more money in the business, and do focus only on delivering outstanding services to their clients and not all of this sales process to get clients. So this is what I handle for them. And that's right. And so for the past days, I have been actually, refining my offer like crazy. And I'm very, very happy with the results, because before that, I was actually, only talking about social skills, verbal skills, helping people, better connect with others. And that was not a well-structured offer. And nobody actually bought my offer for the past 2 months. Yeah, I know. Crazy, right? Of course, because I was not clear. I did not get clarity enough, and my offer was not talking to enough people. And, I just thought about this because in the lead magnet I actually built previously, and that I actually, dispatch for my clients to get for free, I talk about something which is there is 4 core fundamentals of the human nature that you must tap on for your offers, which is love, health, wealth, and pain. Okay. If you can solve one problem, which is around these 4 topics, love, wealth, health, and pain, then you will have a compelling offer, something that people actually want to buy. Or at least that they would be inclined to hear about, because this is touching the core fundamentals of the human nature. And this is what you need, okay? You need to touch upon what actually people want, and not just what you think people will like. And that's massively important, okay? So you must really focus on having a clear and compelling enough offer so that people can actually see you, see what you're talking about, and see that if they have the means to maybe consider buying your offer too. All right. And that's not something I had for the past 2 months. And I was definitely seeking to get that level of clarity. And this is because I talked to a guy who was making maybe $200,000 a month. And he helped me clarify my offer to make sure that I really get into what I can deliver, and at the same time really having something that people would buy, and not just, oh, I love to do that, I love to talk about the subject, but in reality nobody buys it because it's just a random topic. It's not something that people have some real problems for, real pains that they really want to have a solution for. And therefore the cost of the money they would invest with you would be less than the cost of the pain that they are living right now. And so if you can have something that solves this, you win and you get an offer that people will buy. Anyway, that's what I want to say about that. So you have to have your offers in place. You need to have some system that you have structured, meaning what is happening once you get on board with a client. Once a client gets on board with you, what is happening, what's the system, and do you have some system that actually can deliver over and over and over for clients, and that you can actually, duplicate and just teach for some people that you want to train maybe in your team later on. I don't know. That's my goal, all right? So that's pretty cool. And so now for me, it's mostly a game of consistency. All right. So my offer is compiled. I've just crossed the mark of 400 followers. It's not much. But at least it's something to give me, some hope in the business. And I know that I will make this work. All right. And I'm working like my ass off on this every single day, 10, 12, 14, 16 hours a day sometime. I'm really singularly focused, no distraction around me. And I know I'm going to make it. I'm going to make it 10,000 euros a month. All right, my friend, because I have cut the root of all my problems and the root of everything that was actually, putting me away from what I truly want. All right. And right now I've got a business that is thriving and things are, taking off, and I'm super psyched about it. So anyway, now it's mostly a game of consistency and consistently connecting with people over and over and over again. Okay. Sending DMs to people constantly every single day and doing exactly what it takes. Replying to targeted people and then go into DMs, create connections, and go on from that to get some clients more and more and more and more. Okay. And therefore, once I'm going to have my systems, which is already at least a little bit structured, but once it's going to be a little bit more structured, and I will have pretty cool results, testimonials, and all that stuff, I'm going to be able to duplicate my efforts because I'm going to recruit a team, some people that I firmly believe that they can really add some value in the business. So that's going to be for another step. But for now, it's a game of consistency and doing what it takes every single day and not fucking quitting like I used to do for the past 9 years. All right. And now I know it's way different. And it's pretty fucking cool. It's pretty good. All right. Anyway, and that's what I want to say also is, you've got to form your content around 1 or 2 big ideas. Okay. One thing which could be the epicenter of your message. What are you known for? Okay. What kind of topic and what kind of ideas that you are known for? And this is going to be, what your content, will gravitate around. And that's going to bring you some followers. That's going to bring you some traction. That's going to bring you some authority and more business in the end. Okay. If you, write some contents or post some videos about whatever the type of stuff that you want to write about, then you will not get enough traction, not get enough results, because people need, to put you in boxes. Okay. And to know exactly what you're talking about and why. The reason why they want to follow you, or even more, why they would be a client to you. Okay. Anyway, so that was it for today. And I hope that was useful for you. All right. Have a good day and bye.